Welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm an Alabama consumer protection attorney, and here's our question for today. How do I know if I have been served with a debt collection lawsuit in Alabama? And this is a common question because being served is really when things take off in a lawsuit. There are deadlines that come about, and if you haven't been served, you don't have a deadline, but if you have been served, there's a deadline, and there's a lot of confusion about being served. So hopefully this video will clear up at least some of that confusion. Basically, there are three ways of being served. First is by a sheriff's deputy. So a sheriff's deputy comes up typically to your house. It could be anywhere, but comes up to your house and hands you the papers, or hands it somebody living in your house, an adult in your house. Then that would be good service. Second way is a private process server can serve you the papers. One of the main ones in Alabama is a company called Van Slam, but there are dozens of others that do this as well. So it could be somebody just in an unmarked car. They come up, knock on your door. They say, "Hey, are you John Watts?" Say, "Yes, I'm John Watts." They go, "Well, here are some court papers for you." Well, that would be considered service. Or again, they could leave it typically with an adult who lives in your house. Now, the third way is by certified mail. And so you get, the mailman, mail lady comes to you, says, "Here's certified mail, need for you to sign for it." And then the date you sign for it would be the date that you're served. Now, sometimes there's a lot of confusion. I've had clients where they come home and the lawsuit papers are scattered across the yard. The person serving it just threw it in the bushes. And we see all sorts of crazy stuff like that. So if you have any doubt about whether you've been served, then call the court, or you can call us, 205-879-2447. And we can look it up on the online court system. It's called AlaCourt. And we can look that up and at least see what that is saying about when you were served and whether you were served. Now, once you're served, you have a limited time to respond. And so it's very critical when you were served. And we'll have another video that talks about your deadlines. I'll go ahead and tell you real quick. District court, small claims court, 14 days. Circuit court is 30 days from the date that you were served. Now, keep in mind you have 5 options when you are sued. You need to discover those options. And we have all sorts of videos and articles on those options. And then take action on whichever option is best for you. Because it is possible to win your collection lawsuit. Now, bankruptcy is an option. You can take some options where you don't hire a lawyer. You fight on your own, settle it on your own. Or you can hire a lawyer to fight the lawsuit or settle a lawsuit. There's advantages and disadvantages to each one of those 5 options. But definitely learn about those options. But the very first step is, have I been served? And if I've been served, when was the date of that service, so that you can figure out when your answer is due. So if you have general questions, comments, you can put those below. Or if you have specific questions for us, just pick up the phone and call us, 205-879-2447. Or you can contact us through our main consumer website, alabamaconsumer.com. I appreciate you watching this. Hope you have a great day and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.